free internet marketing training for Livegood affiliates and new people that are looking into Livegood right now. And if you don't know where to go, what to do, or how to do this affiliate marketing thing for Livegood, first of all, my recommendation is get to know the Livegood platform. Go through it. This is the Livegood dashboard. And then you'll just get to know it. I would recommend going to their YouTube channel and Facebook group, for one thing. And just understand it. Understand the business. But then, the free training. You'll come to a page that looks like this, through the link down below. You'll learn how to build an online business with lazy commissions. You'll know how to do email marketing, for one thing, which is also free. Then, you'll learn how to drive traffic with traffic in-game. But my recommendation is focus on this training first, because you need to know everything of how you can build an online business step by step. And it's basically what I know and how I'm doing these videos and all that cool stuff. And you'll just know what to do. Here in Lazy Commissions, you'll know, you'll have a welcome video, getting started, the foundations, why 99% of people fail. You'll need to watch that also, but first watch the getting started video. And on execution, you'll learn how to execute your training that you're learning through Lazy Commissions for Livegood affiliate marketing. And in the affiliate marketing process, you have to understand it first. And then you'll learn value ascension, how the value ascension model works, and choosing your niche. And in this case, your niche would be promoting the health and wellness industry with Livegood. So you already have your niche down, so I would still recommend watching this video just to understand the niche process. I would just recommend watching the training. This training is mostly geared to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, but it's also good for any niche. You'll learn email marketing, lead generation, traffic generation. This is important too, so go through this training. And lead generation is also important if you want to get started with your Livegood business. Bonuses, you gotta provide bonuses somehow. Like what I'm doing with my Livegood business is that I'm gonna provide payment proofs and also these free trainings as a gift for those who join under me through my link of Livegood down below, for those who haven't joined Livegood yet. And this link is under Livegood, but you'll come to my opt-in page, of course, to be able to receive it. And the upgrade for the Lazy Commissions is the coaching group, which will be a benefit for you because you'll have that extra push, the extra help. And I'm in here. I've been interacting with everyone in here. You see here is me. I just recently posted something in here, and also the affiliate support. This is basically a private Discord group that's paid, of course, and which is a lifetime deal, which is freaking ridiculous. And I'm in here, and there's a lot of good people that's in here that was willing to help you every step of the way in your Livegood business. Understand the platform first, see how the industry work and how they do their business, and just learn the process. subscribe to their YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get this link. It'll take you to 3 different free trainings that you'll need to know how to build an online business, particularly your Livegood business. If you are an affiliate but don't know what to do with your Livegood stuff, I would recommend going through the Lazy Commissions training, which you can find right here, the first link right here. Free. The initial training is free. Coaching is something that I paid for, which is pricey, but it's awesome. Coaching costs time and money and energy, but you get it, you pay once and it's yours. And the Discord group is yours to be in there, and you just gotta ask questions. If you don't take the action, you're not gonna see the results for your Livegood business, you know? I already have 1 sign up. Just because I took the action and just did it, you know? Just do it. Go through the training. Understand the business of Livegood. Get the coaching, because I know that's going to help you. And also get the free training. And then go through every video. Every single video, no matter what. Again, this link is down below under the Livegood link. Or my Livegood link. And if you're not an affiliate for Livegood, I would recommend paying the $49 and then just paying for it until you have the fundamentals of building your online business, which is the Livegood one. Then I would recommend just going to do it. Just do it. Take action. You're not going to see any results if you just watch free videos all the time. And it's not always going to help you. Just do that, you know? Just do it, okay? Subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you all in the next one.